Hello student, today I will teach you the Huygens wave theory or the Huygens principle. According to this theory, the luminous source, it may be the point source, send out the waves in all directions with the same velocity of the light and constant simple harmonic disturbances like the sound. You know, the sound wave need the material medium to propagate. Hence, Huygens assumed a hypothetical material medium called ether, which fill the whole space including the vacuum. The ether medium has no real existence and also very negligible density. We cannot prove that medium by any experiment. The Huygens theory explains most of the phenomenon of the light, but it could not explain the photoelectric effect. This is the Huygens wave theory. We talk on another topic related to the Huygens geometrical construction or simply construction or Huygens principle of secondary wavelets. Secondary wavelets. We have already seen the Huygens theory. Say the point source, suppose that this is the point source, suppose that this is the S, it is the point source. It emits the wave in all possible directions with the same velocity. With the same velocity in all possible directions. That means the wave transmitted in the medium with the same velocity all around the space. It propagated in the medium with the same speed. Now we think, suppose that this is a point source. Suppose that we say S. It emitted the wave. Suppose that in any time, at any time we consider it reaches, travel to a certain distance. It travel to a certain distance. We can assume, taken the SI center and draw a circle on the plane. All the waves on this plane reaches in all directions in same time and cover the same distance. Cover the same distance. Cover the same distance. The point on this surface, which is assumed That means the disturbance is sent out by this source S in all direction reaches to this. Suppose that all the points here at any instant. All these points receive the wave in same time. All the particles or the points which are on the surface receive the wave in the same time. These points start to oscillate in same phase. And these points are act as the secondary source, the fresh source of the light. We have assumed this is a sphere, like a sphere, and this is called the wavefront. The wavefront, if we draw a line perpendicular to the wavefront, is called ray. This is called the ray. Huygens had made the two assumptions to show how can we show the waves propagate in the medium, or how can we draw the secondary wavelets. The first assumption, all the points on the wavefront surface of the sphere, we have already drawn the sphere on the all the points on the sphere oscillating in the same phase. All the points on the surface of a sphere oscillating in the same phase acts as a fresh source of the light, fresh source of the disturbance, and these disturbances from these points are spread in the medium with the same speed of the light. Second assumption, the new wavefront at any later time, किसी भी समय, the new wavefront at any later time is obtained by taking the forward envelope of secondary wavelet at that time. We can see here how can we obtain the secondary wavelet. कैसे हम प्राप्त करते हैं जरा देखें. This is the point source S. It sends out, this is representing the ray. Suppose that at any time t naught, c is the velocity of light, at any time t naught, it travel a distance c t naught. The distance travel will be c t naught. We assume the source as center and c t naught as the radius and draw a sphere. The point on this sphere, all points act as the secondary source, that is the fresh source of the disturbances. Suppose that these sources disturbances advance in a small time delta t. So what distance it cover? in a small time ct. Making the center, this point I taking as center, and we draw a sphere. Now we draw the tangent. This tangent will be the secondary wavelets. This is the forward position. This is the AB is the first, and CD is the second position of the wavefront. It is the forward position of the wavefront. So we can assume this is the EF, this is the backward position, this is the forward position. We can also draw taking the same. This is the first, we can draw that is the AB, this is the CD, and this is the EF. So we can construct the secondary wavelet with the help of the Huygens principle. Okay, no doubt. And I earlier told you whatever be the notes on the topic I have already put on the PDF. You can load from the PDF. Thanks.